Is this what they call Conkles Hollow? I'd build my house right up there. Yeah. And my fire pit would be that rock that kind of sticks out a little bit.
Is this the end of it?
I think this is the actual attraction.
Oh. Yeah, this is really cool. Especially this icicle. Looks very yummy. I'm not gonna do that.
As I say, it might be a little sandy.
Babe, can I? Seriously, this is a weapon.
Don't do it. No. Wow. Oh, so this is Conkles Hollow. What are you doing?
I'm getting a lot to Charlotte.
Oh.
From Conkles Hollow.
Nice.
I love you. From putting in that water.
Sacrifices for Charlotte.
Charlotte?
Oh, no way, baby. There's pictograms.
Huh?
Pictograms. Is that a pictogram? It looks like a guy with a bow.
Oh, yeah, it does.
Probably just graffiti. There's names right there. Watch that first step. It's a doozy. Oh, this trail is ridiculous. It's just all so picturesque.